I hope that my voice is audible to you. Okay, so just let me confirm it. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So, very good afternoon to you all. My name is Gaurav, and welcome back to BISP Solutions. And this is the fifth session on ARCS series. And what all I will be covering in this session. First is how to assessing a reconciliation. Then how to add a attachment to a reconciliation. This thing we will be doing in profile, which I have said you how yesterday we created a format as well as profile. Then we have preparing reconciliation, then working with views, creating filters, saving list, checking for missing reconciliation. Okay, all these things we will covering in our this fifth session. Okay, so this is my instance. Okay, so to loading the data, I will be keeping the file as same which I have yesterday created. Let me show you first the file. So this is the profile. This is my profile ID. Then we have currency over here. Then we have amount. Okay, fine. So just let me quickly create a profile first. Within a second I will create it. Just click on add. 0 federal 0. Description is not being needed. Quickly just assign all this thing. Account type will be cash account because I do not think bank is there. So okay, so just quickly assign all the accounts. First let me assign cash account in my account type. Then we have balance, which is normal balance. Okay, let me see for my voice. It's audible. Okay, fine. Then here we have organization unit. So I'll be keeping as America. In America, North America will be there. Format. I haven't created a format, just assign the template one only, which we have pre-built format. So quickly select on it, and the balance, the method it will already pick, which is balance comparison. And the method for account auto reconciliation I will picking as bank balance is 0. Then we have the aging limit, so I will be giving us 10 days. Why balance explanation is not available? Okay, fine, just save it. Go to the instruction part. No instruction is needed. Okay, so today I have to tell you that I will be assigning attachment with this profile. Okay, so let me give some instruction to the preparer. Make sure to attach at least at least one attachment. Okay, so I have given the instruction. Make sure to attach at least one attachment in this profile. Okay, so we'll be giving this attachment in our rules, so that I will show you how to create that one. Then we have users. So first of all I will be assigning my preparer. Search for like Alex Smith is my preparer, so I'll be keeping him. Frequency will be monthly only. This is 2 days. 2 days. Reviewer, let us assign Amy Marlin as a reviewer. Okay, in currency. I just quickly going all this in because yesterday in yesterday's session 4, I have already explained all these things in that session. So I won't be explaining all this in again because it will take a lot of time. Then here you have to select the currency, which is USD in functional. Then access, there is no assessing for this reconciliation. Attribute, for right now I won't be giving any attribute, I just giving a rule in this profile. Okay, so just click on add. One rule we will be seeing today, which is required reconciliation attachment. Okay, this one. And message to preparer, once again we'll be giving the same. Attach at least one attachment. Okay, so this message will be pop up for preparer. So Alexis Smith is our preparer, so he will be seeing this thing. So let's create the condition. Source will be for the reconciliation only. In reconciliation, okay. So look, if you select source in reconciliation, if reconciliation is selected here, you have to attach the attachment in reconciliation. If you have selected transaction, then the preparer, who is Alexis Smith, he has to attach the attachment in transaction. So I will show you what is the difference between attaching the attachment in reconciliation in transaction. Okay, balance, you know. Then we have, let's select this as transaction right now. Then attribute, anything like, suppose what I can give, attachment. Okay, attachment name, attachment. What else we have? Two things we have here. Attachment name contains between, or should I make contains at least one value I will give. So this is the condition I have given. Let's click on OK. So this, here you see the attachment, which is the name, contains at least one. Okay, we will seeing it how it will be showing in our transaction. Then we have history. I already discussed this thing. Now just save and close this profile. Okay, so we have done with creating the profile. Our next step is to, before the reconciliation, first load the balances. Let's load the balances for the July month, July 23rd. Click here, set the status as open. Just click OK. And just upload the data file, which is this source as well as subsystem. Click on this 3. Click on import premium data balances. Then choose the file. This I already shown you how to import this, all this. Okay, so today I will be again doing the same thing. Just month will be same, contains functional. Okay, import. And check for the status. The staging failed. Let's see why. I haven't changed the yesterday one. Okay, so just let me change. I think I made changes in yes. So I hope this profile, Yeah, this one. Just Control C and Control Alt V here, just to paste the format. Okay, now Control S, save this file, and again I will be uploading this file. Yesterday I have shown you how to work on error file, that's why I haven't changed the profile ID. So just go to premap data again, and here select the file once again. This one, the balance type is our source system. Okay, functional is our currency bucket. Import, close this, and again go for checking the status. Okay, so just refresh it. Yeah, done. The status is complete. Now next we have to load our subsystem. Just select the file from here. Once, where is my subbank? This one is my subsystem. Okay, balance type is subsystem, currency functional. Okay, everything is fine. Just import. Let's go and check the status. Pending status, post process, I think. Oh, completed, done. So till here we have seen yesterday. Our next step is to go to profile and search for the profile which you have created just right now, which is 450 semicolon 500. Search for it and select the profile over here with the right click, and you can see here this action button. Okay, just click on this and create reconciliation. Click on this one, so the reconciliation get created. Which month? I think it's July 23rd we have created. I hope. July 23rd was the month we have created, imported the data. Let's see if there is a balance in our reconciliation. Go to reconciliation. Just change the period from here, which is July 23rd. Yeah, fine. Let's check for the balances. Balances are there or not? Yeah, balances are there. Fine. Yeah, next step is to go for the reconciliation. Now we have assigned this task. Who will be giving the adjustment? The adjustment is given by the preparer. Okay, before that, let me copy the username, access control. Over an access control, manage role. Here, Alex Smith. Okay, this control C and just sign out. So I have login as preparer. So our preparer is Alex Smith, and all the reconciliation which is created by the administrator only. So the preparer. Okay, he is the person who will be giving the explanation and the adjustment to the source system as well as the subsystem. So look here in the welcome panel, you can see Alex The name has changes from Dennis to Alex. Okay, so I won't be going to the work list and selecting the month. I'd just directly drill it down from here and just select the month. And okay, fine, just click on work list. Now you just skip one step here. First you have to go to work list, then you have to select the period. If you want to just skip this step, you just select from home, direct home page from this welcome panel, the month, which I have did right now, and just go to the work list. Now preparer will be working on the reconciliation which we have created just right now. Okay, so this is the reconciliation open to preparer, you can see here. Okay, so this is the reconciliation window. I have already shown you before, but still let me discuss something with you. This is the summary. First we have summary. You can see the ending balances for the source system, which the label as balance as per GL, and the subsystem which is 50,000, and the difference which is 5,000 over here. We will be giving the explanation for this 5,000 difference. Okay, then we have adjusted balance which is 0 right now. When I give the explanation and the adjustment, it goes to 5,000, and here the unexplained difference goes to 0. Right now it is in negative, which is 5,000. Then what else we have here? This is the graph, picture graph you'll be seeing here. The blue color shows the balance as per the GL and the functional currency which is USD. Same goes for the balance as per bank. Functional currency is our USD. Status, here you see the status, it is open with Alex. Then we have preparer, due date is 14th August, all this thing here, and the end date for this reconciliation is 16th August 2023. So how many days are left? 745 value, aging violation 0 right now. So this thing you have to understand when you are attaching. I have shown you the attachment in balance. We have three options. First you can give this attachment in reconciliation, then you can give this attachment in your balance, and you can give this attachment to your transaction. So when you give attachment over here, this one, okay, okay, this is for the reconciliation attachment. Okay, fine, just let's close it. The outside attachment is for the reconciliation. Okay, this one, and here you have comment option, you can post comment. Okay, this, I hope this whole thing is clear to you. Then we can, with this icon we can short it, or can just zoom in, zoom out. All this is not that important. Then we have, here is the properties. When you click on properties, you will see the format as well as profile, something which are in format, something in profile. Okay, so first is we have the name, which is the bank reco we have given in the profile. Then we have account ID, the company is 450 and the account is 500. Then we have status, the status is with preparer right now. Then we have periods over here, then start date, end date, actual end date is not given, organization unit which is North America. Then we have process, we have selected process balance sheet, so therefore the process is here showing that balance sheet. Account type is cash, normal debit, all these things we have given in our format. Okay, and as well as something in profiles. Then so when preparer is working, he can see instructions from here. Look, I have given the instruction as make sure to attach at least one attachment. Okay, this rule we have given, and this instruction same. Then we have alert. If any alert is created for this reconciliation, the preparer can see from here, and if he wants to add any alert, he can create with this so that he can alert to the reviewer, or other than that he can also give alert to the administrator. Then we have the workflow. So administrator has done with his task, now it is to preparer, who is Alex. Then it goes to MM Marlin. When Alex Smith give this unexplained difference 5000 and submit this reconciliation, it goes to MM Marlin. Okay. Then next we have the warning. This is not that important, it shows. Then we have attributes. So right now I haven't given any attributes to the profile, so just skip this part. Questions, look here, these questions are the format level question. So if, because this is a format level and the person who if this format level, he haven't tick mark on the required one. Okay, so if preparer is submitting this without giving answer to all the three question, he can able to submit it. Okay, but if he check on the required, he have to answer this yes, no, anything as per his choice. Okay, like this. So keep it blank. Then we have attachment. You can attach it from here, and if you want for transaction attachment, we will be seeing transaction attachment in the adjustment to GL part. Okay, then here we have comment. From this you can give comment. If you want keep this comment to this particular time period, you can uncheck this carry forward, and if you want the reviewer can also see the comment, you can check on this. Then we can also attach any file to the comment, and if you want to attach any link, we can attach with this one. Okay, then we post it. And next we have the prior reconciliation. If there is any prior reconciliation related to this profile or this reconciliation which we are preparing, we can go and check for this. Then all the activity you can see here, just right now I yes no all the questions. So it is showing that Alex Smith updated the question 2, question 3, question 3, or like this. Okay, answered, unanswered, all this like this. This is the history part. So we've done with the right hand side with the tabs, all tabs which are the right hand side in RC module in reconciliation. Okay, then we have adjustment to GL. This adjustment to GL's open this. Okay, this adjustment to GL, go on this, and here you see some tabs. Okay, so this add icon, this edit, this what is this duplicate. If you want to duplicate any adjustment you have given here, we will add adjustment and you can duplicate it if you want, then you delete it. Then next we have copy transaction from prior period. If suppose you have already have balances in your reconciliation for the previous period, you loaded the data and you want it to bring for the next coming period, you can bring with this icon. Okay, click on this one and you can go. Look, there is no account ID previously. So this here you see the export and here you see the import. Then nothing else we have here. So remember one thing, this minus 5000 difference, when the client said he wants the adjustment to the GL or he wants to adjustment to the bank, you will selecting that particular file. Okay, you won't be selecting as per your choices. So right now I will be giving the adjustment to GL. Just click add on it. So this is the entire transaction which I've shown you in the format. This how it looks. You can change it when you are preparing the transaction, or not transaction, not format. When you're preparing the format, you can change this entire transaction appearance. Okay, what all things you want to be have here, what all columns you want to have, you can select it from the format only. Then here are also the right hand side, you can see some tab over here. First we have the property which I've already shown you, then we have the question instructions, then the workflow, and this attachment is for the transaction attachment. Okay, here you can attach for the transaction. Then we have the comment, and next part we have the action plan. So this action plan, remember one thing, we won't be seeing this action plan in the reconciliation one. Okay, behind this window we have reconciliation, we won't be seeing this in that one. We only seeing this when we open the adjustment transaction window. Just click on this. What is this? I will tell you. So here is one option comes general entries. If in the format you have selected that your action plan, sorry, is shown, you click on show action file. Okay, just let me close it and show you, otherwise you get confused. I think prepare has, okay, fine, later I will show you. Okay, just go to the, click on add. So when we were doing the, when we were preparing the format, there are options, which is transaction, and second is the action plan. So when we open action plan, there is another option comes, show action plan. When you tick mark on that, you get access to this action plan. Okay, and when it is required, when there is a general entry over here, it is mandatory. So you have to give each and everything in your action plan. Okay, action plan over here, closed, yes or no, date, comment, attachment, everything which is required. Okay, I hope you have understood what is action plan. Then this is the important thing you have to understand. First we have transaction date, which is automatically picked by the system. Then we have short description. We will giving this description because we are explaining the difference, why this 5000 difference comes here, and what is the reason behind it. Suppose the reason is, I won't be able to type it. Check deposited but not cleared. Okay, so I have deposited my check to the bank, but it is not cleared. Because of this 5000 difference arises. Okay, so here you can give long description. Short description is the mandatory one because it is a star mark over here, and long description is not that necessary, you can skip it. Then we have impact. So because we are making this to our bank statement, which is in the asset side of balance sheet, so select balance sheet over here, then the amount which is minus 500. So sometimes what happen, this amount comes in 5499 point this. So just to clarify what is the amount, just go take your arrow to the amount here, functional USD amount, and it will show you what is the actual amount. Okay, and you can see it from here and just type it down in this one. Okay, and when I click on save, look here, green tick mark comes up, which shows that you have no unexplained difference left. Okay, so we have give the explanation for the difference which is arising. Next step is to submit it. Okay, so let's see if it gets submitted, because we have added a rule, so I hope that work. Okay, this preparation for the reconciliation no longer have the ability to change it. Are you sure you want to continue? So I haven't given the reconciliation as to be mandatory one, so there we cannot attach the file. Okay, if we want to attach, we just click on here, attachment, and right now I won't be able to change this. Just me logging back to my let me log in as my administrator again so I can show you further steps. Okay, with that link and the attach icon, you can attach the file. Okay, then first just quickly log in as administrator. So after submitting your reconciliation, it goes to the reviewer. I will show, this is our next topic, which is, let me show you, which is submitting, reviewing and approving. All this we will be taking tomorrow only. Look here, submitting, approving and rejecting the reconciliation. So we'll be taking this in our next class. So just let me open my instance first. So after, when you submitted the reconciliation, you won't be able to make any changes or anything to the profile or the format. If suppose, and just profile, and just search for the profile 50 slash 5.0. Okay, just open this profile and let me show you something. Okay, so if you make any changes in this profile, suppose I want to add any attribute, okay, any attribute I want to add, and I just save and close it, it won't be impacting the reconciliation. Why? Because we have prepared the reconciliation. There are some activities that administrator can do after completing the reconciliation. When our reconciliation got closed, then we can see what all activity can do. Look here, administrative activities, which we are seeing tomorrow. After, when we're done with our reconciliation till the end step, what else activity the administrator can perform. Okay, so like this you can submit it. I will show you later the entire process, submitting, approving and rejecting. Then next we have today's, what is, so we have assessing the reconciliation we did, at adding attachment, this we did. So right now I do not have any attachment to attach for the reconciliation, so I just skip that process. If you want, you can attach, as the instruction is already given to the preparer. Okay, then we have preparing the reconciliation, which I have already told you how to prepare the reconciliation. Then we will be seeing these things. Okay, three things: working with views, creating filters, saving them, and just checking for the missing reconciliation. Okay, so just go to the profile and clear this search. So first we'll be seeing the view. So right now you are seeing what all the things here: account ID, name, valid, format, preparer, amount, subsystem balance, then source system balance, sorry, then subsystem balance. What else we have? Unexplained difference method. Okay, so this is the view thing. You can see all the profile. This is the view. Now when I click on this action button and click on select column, all the columns, account ID, source system, all these columns you can change as per your need. Suppose I want that my unexplained difference will not show in the view, I just less it and bring it back to the original view. Okay, just whatever you want. Suppose you want to see the account type, just click on this account type and bring it here like this. Let me send it back. So just let's quickly create a small and understanding view. So I want account ID, fine. I want the name of the reconciliation, I want to check for the valid, then format is not needed, so just send it back. Okay, so preparer, I want account, there is no need of accounts. So system balance, subsystem balance, method, let's keep method, or we can skip. Okay, fine, this. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 things I have keepin here in the selected attributes, and this over here. So when you see here, there are two options. Okay, first is the profile. Entire things which comes in profile, you can select it from here. All the attributes, all the accounts, all the process, all the account types, you can select it from here. And if anything you want to select from the reconciliation, just click on the reconciliation and drill it down, and you can see here, suppose you want to, okay, let's bring something currency. Okay, fine, let's bring currency over here. Look here, we have 7 selected over here. Then we can also view with balances. Okay, so look here, this is the balance, and you can select whatever you want in the balances. Just click OK, and this view will get saved to your instance. So this is the view which we have created just right now, and suppose I want to save this view to my instance, so next time whenever I just want this view, I can access it quickly. I do not have to select the column and all like this. So first save from here, click on save view and give us demo. What is today's date? I think 29. Okay, so it automatically create the definition and the column which we have selected. Click OK, and the next thing is to publish it. Okay, right now when you look here, this view can only accessible by the administrator, okay, because he have created. But suppose if the preparer want to access this view, what he have to do? So the administrator will go to the configuration part. Here in configuration card, you have to go for the view, click on view card, and just look for the view which we have created. Okay, here, this is the view. Look here, demo 29. Just click on this 3 dot and click on publish. When you click on publish, this view which you have created by yourself, this view can be accessible by the preparer as well as the viewer. Okay, so it get access to both the persons, okay, to whoever the user login to the system, not just the preparer or the reviewer, whoever. Just go in the profile, select this any. So look here, just when I select my view, all this thing get changed, and when I select my demo 29, so look here, it get changed again. This is how you set your view and publish it, so that whoever wants to access this view can easily access. Okay, then next we have is, what else we have next we have filter. Okay, so there are 2 filters are there. Suppose I want to add any filter, account ID is there, account type I want to add, what else I can add. With this add filter, you can add some filters, and let me add few more. Format. Okay, fine, this 4 thing I have added. Let's create a filter. First, account ID. I do not want anything in account ID, so I just keep it blank. Content, all this you can choose as per your choice, so I will be keeping it as blank. No condition I want to give in account ID. There is no need of key demo account. Just give the account type. Account type I want as the assets account. Okay, so select this asset. Okay, so when you click on assets, all assets which are in assets you can see here, receivables, depreciation, fixed asset, all this. So I want all assets. Okay, look here, account type is selected as assets, and format I will be picking as balance reconciliation, and what else I can pick, account analysis might be there or not, it's not here, so just current assets. Format, what else format I can select? Okay, account receivables. This 3 format I have selected, and let's see how this filter work. Look, this all are the profiles which have assets in them, and 3 formats in them. Okay, it's connected, reconnecting. Fine. Just hold for a moment. Come on. Reconnecting. Let's see. Okay, connected, done, successful. So sometime happens my OBS get disconnected because might be of the issues, network issues and all that. So what I'm saying that in view I want format. Where is my format? Here is my format. Just bring it here and click OK. Okay, look here. So we have selected 3 format in here in our filter, and this 3 format which is account receivables. You can see all this format here. These are the selected files because I have chosen the filter. And when you click on this 3 dot, you will see 3 options. First, you can clear all the filter which we have selected here. My assets will go to all and my format will go to all. So I won't be clearing it. I will be saving this filter. Just save it under the name of demo 29 fill. Okay, this as given a short form. So again I want to publish this. Look here, right now it is accessible to only the administrator, but I want to give this filter to access each and everyone. So I just go to my configuration again, and here in filter, the filter which we have created, just go for it. Here, this one is our filter. It is not published right now, and just when I click on this 3 dot here, I can publish it. Yes. Okay, so there is one more thing I want to discuss. Here in this filter, you can go to edit, and all the things we have selected in the filter just few seconds back, you can select it from here. And how you will be selecting, just click on create condition. Here you have to give the conjunction, or you will be selecting as per your choice, and what you want to choose, your source. You want to choose from your profile, reconciliation or balance or transaction. You can choose it from here. And then attributes, what all things you want, method you want, name, preparer, who is the preparer working on this, the reconciliation, all these things. Same goes to operation and the value. Okay, you can choose it from here, but I will be recommending to go for the profile filter icon. Okay, this one. From profile, directly select the filters here. This quite be easy. So we have understand how to set our view and how to save it and how to publish it. Then what else we did? We did the filter, how to access the filter, how to publish it. Then we did the attachment part. Attachment part is like if you want to attach anything, you can attach. If you want to give any document, invoice attachment or anything, you can give it from the rule. The rule which is select any adjustment which is required. So in configuration we have discussed set attributes, currency we have discussed. Then we discussed the filter, format, views, organization and period. So we have done with these cards. Later on we will be as disconnected. Let's open my ABS quickly. Okay, fine. This arises frequently, I don't know why. So just what I'm saying is you can go for 2 ways how to check for the missing reconciliation. First is to go to the periods, and suppose June 24, I just click on check for the missing reconciliation over here with three dots. Just click on it and a small pop-up window will arise. So you can see here all the missing reconciliation you can see here. Okay, and suppose if you want to download this file in your Excel, just export to Excel, click on this and it gets exported to your same thing which you have seen here. You will be also seeing in your Excel file like this. This is the most easiest step that how you can access your missing reconciliation. Okay, this all profile are being created but the reconciliation haven't given for these profiles. Okay, then this go back to instance. So this I have shown you first step, and the second, this is the, so for second you have to go to report. Where is report? Where is my reports? Over here. So this is the second way of how to get check for the missing reconciliation. Okay, so look here, in report you must be selecting reconciliation manager, then only you can see this template over here, missing reconciliation. Just click check mark it, select the format. Suppose I want this in CSV file, click on CSV and just click on generate. Now here you will be seeing something which you have to give. First of all, just change the name. If I want to give let's see, a rec of file, like this you can give the name, and here you have to pick the period. But when we checking for the reconciliation from the period, we can directly just go and check for that. Here you have to give the period and the start date till the end date. This is the best thing here, which from what will be your starting date. Suppose you want 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you can give it from here. From period we won't be able to do this thing. We will be getting separate reconciliation file, missing reconciliation file. Okay, so suppose June, not 24, just give for 24. Okay, 1st of June to June, July. If there are reconciliation in between this month, he will give us. You just click on generate. Like this you can select 4 more months if you want, but in period you can get for single months. Look here. The error. Something I have missed. Period. Okay. Why it's not the period getting updated? Okay, so we can okay, here we can also, I think we won't be accessing for 3 months. Let's just me check again. June, 1st of June 24. No period might be specified the end date criteria. August. Let's see. Okay, it won't be taking. So we have to select the single month all here only. Just select the month. Reset it. Erase all this. Okay, here is the same step. I thought there might be, you can select 3 months or 4 months data over here, but it's not taking. Why is no data here? I think there is no missing reconciliation in the month of March. Let's check for the another month. Okay, June 23rd. Reset it. July. Generate. So reset work is same time with the same. Okay, fine. Change name. And change the month also. Let's take February 23rd. 23rd. I hope there are certain missing reconciliation file in the month of Feb. See, 1 KB. Why it's not? August. Let's check for the PDF. Okay, just open it. Yeah, fine. Look here. We get the reconciliation like this in the form of PDF. So this is how you can see the reconciliation. Check for the reconciliation which are missing from period as well as in the reports. Okay, like this. So this is all about today. What all we have covered. Just let me open my Excel sheet and show you. So I have covered the fifth session, which is assessing the reconciliation, adding attachment. I show you how to attach the uh, attachment to your reconciliation as well as the transaction. If you want to attach, you can attach. I haven't attached it because I do not have any attachment. Then we have preparing reconciliation. We did this. We work with the views. Then we created the filters and we check for the missing reconciliation. Okay, so we done all this. If any doubt arises for today's session, just comment it down and I will be discussing that in the next and the upcoming session. Okay, so stay with me and we'll be joining back tomorrow. So that's all for today. Thank you for joining.